Hey there, it's TL Turner. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. Feel free to hit subscribe and stick around. Maybe leave a comment or two. All right, take care.
Do you understand the metaphoric phrase light as a rock?
All right, so greetings traders and friends. I am TL Turner. It is approximately 10:24 a.m. Central Standard Time, June the 27th, 2024, 11:24. Did I say PM or AM? AM Eastern Standard Time, so that would make it approximately 10:24 p.m. Indo-China time. Following up on our trade with USD ZAR, I was literally we were going through our content pipeline, and I was like, hey, we haven't put out any trading videos this week, as many as I would like. I like to mix up the content to make sure we're providing enough education, motivation, practical knowledge, actionable items, things that you can use, the information about our training programs, and then take a look at the charts, of course, and we're just in the same trade. That's why. Trading, in my opinion, should be boring. And in fact, that is what this video is about. Trading should absolutely be boring. Now, here's what we've done over the past 4 to 6 weeks with USD ZAR. And I can tell you without even looking at the chart, we can break down the chart. But if you guys will recall, back on May the 22nd, we made a video where on May the 22nd, there was an engulfing candle that painted on the daily chart on USD ZAR. And that was a trigger candle, according to my edge, the edge that I teach in our Ultimate Forex training and the Ultimate Blueprint course as well, So we teach a method of entering the market to maximize your swing trade so that you can hold your trades overnight. So we entered on the 22nd, rolled that one for about 2 weeks. Around the 4th, 5th, there was a bearish engulfing candle pattern on the same chart, on the daily chart, rolled that back down. And then last week, Friday, again, we can look at the chart. You can go look at the chart. Last week on Friday, we re-entered around 18 points and some change on a buy to take the market back up. And right now, it is currently at 1847. So that is what we do. We ride the market up and down. Pause. No diddy. The market can only go, let me get back on track. The market is directional, okay? Goes up and down. And so we're looking for opportunities to take reversal patterns if you are interested in swing trading, or just even if you take the information and you lower the time frame. Let's just say you go down to a 4-hour. So you're looking for your edge, whatever your edge is. I teach 3 different trading edges, which are very simple. There's no gatekeeping. I can tell you exactly what the edges are. In fact, I've already told you technically 2 of them. So engulfing candle, I'm saying 2 because I'm thinking bearish and bullish, right? So technically that's 2 candlestick patterns, and then the double top and double bottom. So technically those are 4 directions, but I consider those one edge. So an engulfing candle is one edge, and then the double top, double bottom, technically I consider that to be 1, and then our Project Gucci is our 3rd edge. Said all that to say, why do we have to say that phrase? We don't need it. Let's cut it out. That's what it should be. Your trading should not be this thing where you derive, in my opinion, when I was getting my thrills from the market, yes, those days are exciting and it's fun, but at the same time, every day, no, that's not what I want to do, right? Get to a point of where my trading income can do what it needs to do without me hawking at my charts all day. That's the main thing. So I do think trading should be boring. I think it should be boring. Life outside of trading should certainly be way more exciting. And if you are my philosophy, different people have different philosophies. Some people would rather be on their charts for hours upon hours every single day, and they desire to acquire certain things to keep them in a certain lifestyle mindset. My whole thing right now is freedom. Freedom and efficiency. How can I get to wherever I want to go as quickly as possible, harm to none, in divine order, right? And so trading, it's going back to NFP. That used to be exciting. It's like, oh, I'm gonna trade. Oh, you calling all your friends like, oh, I'm gonna trade NFP. Did you guys trade NFP? And you're like, oh, I didn't trade. Yo, man, I caught like 50 pips. When you are used to catching thousands of pips in a month, it's to get a 50 pip move. And I'm not saying that to be ungrateful, because it's something you have to work at to be consistent to the point of where you can literally grab thousands of pips. And technically on JAR, we're up about 4,700 pips, but let's just say that's really 470 pips. So let me do this real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the profit calculator on FXTM. I probably already have it bookmarked. And then we're going to look at, let's just say you entered this trade with us. Let's just say I trained you. Let's say you signed up for the ultimate blueprint on how to hold your trade for longer. This is a 7-day course. You could have entered. We're not even a week into this trade, okay? So we did USD ZAR. This is Forex time. They have a profit calculator. We did a buy on USD ZAR. We opened around 18. Okay, current price is around 18.47. If you did one standard, you would be approximately 25.97 USD. That would be your profit. Now, if you, let's say you had 10 lots, let's say you were doing your thing, you would just add a zero. So that's 25,000 in a week. Let's say you did 0.1 lot. That is still $259 in a week, which is a fantastic return on the risk, right? Because there was minimal drawdown once the market fell under that 18.0 number. So trading, in my opinion, when I'm looking for ways to complicate or I'm looking for the next shiny tool, it was very exciting. There was a lot of ups and downs. Right now, my life, let's hit that stable path. Let's be consistent. Let's do the same thing over and over and wake up tomorrow, and that's totally fine. I'll wake up tomorrow and have the same black coffee that I had yesterday. And if that means today that I earned 3% today and 3% tomorrow and 3% the day after that, so be it. Let it be nice and boring, and see how those profits actually stack up. If you are also interested in making your trading as boring as holding a trade, one trade for a week, and potentially earning, depending on your account size, anywhere from 260 all the way up to 25,000 and beyond, to infinity and beyond, depending on your account size, depending on what you were willing to risk. That's why when people are like, oh, am I going on a rant right now? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that because I was going to talk about something. I'm not going to do that. If you would like my assistance, if you would like my assistance with learning this method of trading, the mindset that I'm in right now, because I've learned the quarters theory and psychological price levels, it's given me way more confidence with understanding these pivot points. And that's what we teach now, right? So of course, starting out in 2019, it was strictly support and resistance, a little bit of supply and demand. Now, not only has my knowledge of support and resistance and supply and demand evolved using psychological price patterns, using Rinko to really drill down and increase the overall performance, the output, improve your precision. That's what it's all about. how precisely can you get in and out of the market? It's like being a sniper. So in the meantime, if you're not looking for coaching and you would still like to support the channel, we do. This video is sponsored by FlyTraderT. You can head over to flytraderT.com. This hoodie you won't be able to get, but they do have some. We do have some new hoodies that are lightweight hoodies. I like to work out. I like to do my shadow boxing in these hoodies because why not? I like to get my cuts on. So until the next time, take care.